How to fix iPhone not receiving emails. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure you are connected to a proper working Wi-Fi or mobile data, and if not, then you can also switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, launch the Settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the Apps option, and then scroll down again and tap on the Mail option. Here, tap on the Mail Accounts option you see there, and further select your email account, that is, either your Gmail account, your Outlook account, or your iCloud. Here, make sure that the Mail toggle button is toggled on. Next, in the Mail Accounts tab itself, tap on the mail that you want to change and then tap on the Re-enter password option you see there. And with this, if password expired or changed, then you will need to update it here. Now, in Mail Accounts tab again, tap on the Fetch New Data option, and if you see the Push Toggle button, then make sure the Push Toggle button is toggled on, and further, set the fetch schedule to every 15 minutes or automatically. This will ensure new emails sync regularly. See if the issue was fixed or not, and if not, then go ahead and open the mail application on your device and then tap on the mailboxes and further tap on the all inboxes option. Here, sometimes mail is filtered to another folder or archived automatically, so make sure to check all the folders. The next fix for this issue is launch the Settings application again and tap on Battery, and then go ahead and make sure the Low Power Mode toggle button is toggled off. Also, if nothing fixes your issue, then you can try to restart your iPhone, as restarting your iPhone will clear temporary network or app glitches. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then launch the Settings application again and scroll down and tap on App and then tap on the Mail option. Further, tap on the Mail Accounts option and then select the account that you are facing issue with, and then tap on the Delete Account option. Further, restart your iPhone and then go back to this particular interface and tap on the Add Account option there and add your account that you just deleted again. This will refresh Mail Sync settings. Also, go back to Settings and tap on General and then on Software Update. In here, make sure to install the latest iOS version, as mail issues often get fixed in updates. And final fix for this particular issue is if the servers for mail server is down, then you will have to wait and you will not have any other option. So if the server is down, make sure to wait patiently and your issue will be fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone not receiving email. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.